Hello, lovely people, welcome once again. Today we will teach you how to clip a video into a text, just like what we just shown to you. So we'll start by uploading our video, and we'll do that by clicking on new project. So if you are a PC user, just import a video, and the video that you have to import, you can import a picture. So here I'll click a photo, then import a picture. So the picture that you should import should be a plain, so either black or any color at all. So here I'll use white. So I'll click on OK. After that, I'll go and crop this one, but before that I'll set the aspect ratio, which is the size of the video to YouTube. So I'll just increase the size. So this one, there's no need for me to use the aspect ratio. So here I've used the aspect ratio, so I don't need to bother myself to crop it again. So that is that. So the next thing that I will do is to add my text. So I'll click on the text, then type my text. Let me type English. Okay, enough. Then I'll look for the star. So I'll change the color to blue. So I'll go and bold the text. So I'll use a different font style, but this one you have to connect it to internet before you can get access to the fonts. It requires internet connection. You can also set for the opacity of your text. So here I'll on my data, then off it again. So since the font has come, I'll just use the Rubik. So I like to use this font, so I will maximize my text. So I'll increase the size. This one is okay. So let me check the elegant too as well. Okay, since the elegant is okay, so I'll click on OK, and after that I'll save my work. So if you want to save or export your work, just click on this arrow on the top here. So we have the 720. Just click on that arrow behind it, and your work will be exported. So I'm done with that. I'll click on done. So what I'm going to do next is to import another media. So this time around I'm going to import a video, then clip it into my text. So if you're a PC user, you have to import the test video rather instead of the new video, because your own, you are not clicking on overlay. So this one I'll use overlay, but your own, you have to import the test video before you upload the video clip, so that it will overlay the original video. But this one, the phone owner is different from that of the PC. So as for the phone, you will click on overlay, then you upload the original video. So that is the difference. So I'm looking for a video to clip my picture into it, my clip into my text. So let me look for one video. So I think this one is okay. So I'll click on OK. So this one, the video size is 54. So I'll change it to YouTube. So I'll just click on the aspect ratio. then change it to YouTube format, then zoom in my work. So this is how I want it to be. Then click on OK. So I'm done with it. What I'm going to do is to click on overlay, then upload my test video. So this is my test video. So here is it. So if you're a PC user, you need to import this one first before you import the video clip. After that, I will click on add. So the difference is for the PC own, instead of it to fall under the video clip, it will rather be on top of the video clip, which is indicating that the video is overlaying the original one. But for the phone on it, other way around. So the overlay video would rather be at the bottom of the video clip that you are going to clip into the test. So here I'm done with this part. So what I'm going to do is to go back. So I'm done with this part. So I'm going to apply test effect. So I'll click on remove BG. If you are not seeing remove BG and you are seeing chromat key, just click on that chromat key. So I'll click on the remove BG, then click on auto remover. So we have the restore and we have the stroke. Okay, I'll go back. I'm not using the auto remover. The auto remover is when you are removing the background of the music, your video. So I'll just click on chroma key, then pick a color. So I'll go back to my work. But here I have to zoom in my work. So this is how I want it to be. So the enough should be on top of the original video. That is how it's supposed to be. So I'll click on chrome key, then click on the color. So the color is the same. So I'll just click on the blue color and I'm good to go. After that, I'll increase the intensity. So my video has been clipped into the test. You can also set for the shadow too as well. So that is that. You can also increase your video length. You can expand it so that it will be across the entire video. You can also drag it closer so that your video length will be short. So if you want it to be long, we just expand it. So here, if I want the size, the length of my text to be at the same level with the video, I'll just go back. Then, so as for the video clip, I can trim it. So I'm going to use the split to do the cutting. Then click this part, then delete it. So I will expand it for you to see. I would like to cut this portion, then click on select, then delete it again. So that is how it is. So I'll click on the overlay video, then cut this part. so they are all at the same level. So video clip and the test clip are the same, so they all end at 6 seconds. So that is how we clip a video into a test. So I can also set for animation too as well. So I'll just go back and apply the same procedure just like what I did. So I'll just click on new project, then use my test. So I'm going to upload a plain background. I'll click on this, click on add, then I'll click on aspect ratio. So I'll use YouTube format, then click on OK. So I'll just expand the length of my video. So what I'm going to do is to add a test. I'll drag my test here, then change it, the star. So let me set for the animation first. So as for the animation, we have the in, the loop, and so I would like to choose we have spin 1 and we have spin 2. So I'm looking for spin 2. Okay, I'll use the spin 1. Then okay, let me undo my work. Star, then bold my text, flexible. I'll click on OK, then export my work just like the first one. Okay, here they said I'm using a pro feature, so I can't export it. So what I need to do is to change my animation. So these are the pro features. So the one that they have written pro on it, unless you are using CapCut Pro. So when you use pro feature, you can't export your work. So I'll use the free version one. So I'll click on OK, then export my work. So that is how it is. So what I'm going to do is to create another page just like what I did for the first one. Then I'll go and upload a video. The same approach, YouTube, then expand your work, then click on OK. After that, I'll go back, overlay, upload a test, then click on OK. So I'll expand it, then click on remove BG, then click on chroma key. So So I'll click on this.
Obi our money.
So here I'm going to upload my test video. So this is the test video. Okay, that is not the test video. I want the one. Okay, so this is what I want. Then click on chroma key. Where is it? Remove BG. So I'm done. So I'll just play my video. So this is how you clip.
Obi our money up, baby. Obeja ubia. We the package na wa.
So if you want to clip
Obi our money up, baby.
this is how we go about it. So it will just rotate.
Obi our money up, baby.
Then you're good to go.
Obi our money up, baby. Obi our money up, baby. Obeja ubia. We the package na wa. Emu 5.
Ebe ha de kwa. Today's work.
Emu 2.
Don't forget.
Eso be he said e wuntwi omutie.
See you in our
Obi okra wa hada asam na si no be he said e obadru mutie. Obi obe he said ohu.
Bye bye.
Bokra said e tie. Obe he